Is everything okay, sweetie? You seem a bit down.
Mom, all my friends at school have phones. They talk about all the cool games and apps they use, and I feel left out. Can I please get a phone?
I understand. It's tough when it seems like everyone else has something you don't. How could you understand? You've always had a phone. Hey, I'm not that old. I was a girl once too, you know.
You were? It's hard to picture you as a girl.
Did your parents call you Mom? How about we talk about why you want to have a phone?
I want to fit in with my friends and not feel left out when they talk about the funny videos they watch.
That makes sense. It's natural to want to be part of what your friends are doing, but having a phone comes with responsibilities and some risks that we should think about.
But what's the worst that could happen?
Well, phones can be addicting if we're not careful. It's easy to spend too much time on it, which can affect your sleep, your schoolwork, and even your mood.
My mood? Like how I get when I don't get ice cream?
Exactly. We don't need a phone making you cranky on top of ice cream emergencies.
I guess I have seen some kids at school getting really upset if they can't use their phones.
How about this? What if we set up some rules to prepare you for when you are ready?
Like what?
Well, for starters, we can use the devices we have to learn about how to stay safe online. Maybe we can start by finding some fun activities we can do together as a family that don't involve screens.
Oh, alright.
That's my girl. Now, how about we bake some cookies together?
Yes, let's do it. But no phones allowed.
Deal.